Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SSO with OneLogin mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. Open your OneLogin mobile app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. On the home screen, tap the login button. Enter your email address associated with your OneLogin account. Tap next to proceed to the password entry screen. Input your password carefully. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or your authentication app for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Tap Submit to complete the login process. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard displaying your applications. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Once logged in, explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to access your applications securely through OneLogin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.